Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Granny Inn Hotel Santi again. But this time they have new update and they added Unity from 2022 to 6000, and greatly removed Unity logo, remove footstep sound from Granny, added FPS counter, may added 120 FPS and 90 Granny menu. There is Find Me Game by 666 a day. So let's go play. Look at my FPS. Wow, it's still very smooth. I can do this. 350 Wow. Alright, that's nice. Wow, we got 1:35 and 64 seconds. 1 hour 35 minutes and I don't know the seconds. I forgot again.